Hey guys, 22 Soulful. This is a 2007 Town & Country. Has a 3.3 liter V6 engine in it. We're going to be talking about throttle body symptoms here. Now this right here, I've just recently had some problems with my throttle body. What would happen is it would start, but it won't run, which means it'll fire and for like maybe 2 to 5 seconds tops. Then it'll stall out on me. This right here was the throttle body in this one. So here's the throttle body. A lot of you guys probably know, but if you don't, it goes from the air filter here all the way into your intake manifold here. So it's generally in between your air filter hose and your intake manifold. But there's the throttle body. It was dirty and it was sticking a little bit, causing it not to run as soon as you cranked it up. So it would only run if I pressed the gas pedal, which moves the throttle body right here. Here are your linkages that go to your gas pedal. It would only run if I pressed this before I started it, or that 2 or 3 seconds when it was actually running, or when it fired, I should say, I would have to press the gas real quick for it to actually run. But that was the throttle body. That was a symptom of it. This is the one I've had. I really haven't seen much of any videos on you know, this particular symptom here. A lot of times they say it's the idle air control valve, but for me it was the throttle body. It was sticking just slightly, so it wasn't able to open and close freely. Yeah, that was a problem I've had with this throttle control, not throttle control, your what do you call it, throttle body. So that was just a symptom of it. Hope this helps some of you guys, because I know I've had this problem, and it was kind of intermittent to a point. I would crank it, then I let it sit for 4 hours. I just did 4 hours, and then I went back to crank it, and it would fire, and then I just let it sit for 4 more hours, and it wouldn't. So just the only reason I did 4 hours, just to simulate a problem, because what happens, I was wanting to drive this one here, but it was it wouldn't run, so I just went to another vehicle and just used it. Then 4 hours later, when I came back, it wouldn't fire. So that was just the only reason I did 4 hours. Might be more or less for you, just depends. But yeah guys, just want to let you know that if you're having a problem with at least this particular car, Town & Country 3.3 liter V6, firing but not running, it could possibly just be a dirty throttle body there. That's all I did. I just took that out and I cleaned it up real good. It was sticking just slightly, so yeah, if possible I'll post some pictures of it. I wish I would have grabbed my camera when I was actually cleaning it, but wasn't able to, so I'll just post some before and after pictures of cleaning it right after this video. So there you go guys. Got any questions, feel free to comment. Thank you all for watching.